what about the PA?
Up top? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can tell them to hide or something.
Oh, fuck, no. Oh, shit. Hold the button.
Caitlin, get into a building now. Do not come up here. There's an animal outside the radio hut. Just get into a cabin now. Go!
Oh, fuck, dude.
They're gone.
What now?
We gotta kill it.
It's not a normal animal, man. I don't think a gun's gonna cut it.
Shit. Got a better idea?
Well, if it's got hearing like a dog, maybe. I mean, we could play a really high-pitched feedback loop and crank it to the max, and I mean, it would hurt like hell, but.
Okay, fine. Let's do it. Feedback thing.
All right. Okay, come on, Dylan. Let's do this. Come on. It's almost.
Hey, Dylan, just take a breath. I'm sure you can figure it out.
Okay, yeah. Right. There's something missing. What's missing? Oh, crap. I pulled the wire.
Fix it. I'll cover you. Do it now. Go, quickly.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Oh, fucking spreading. You have to cut it off. Cut it off. Cut it off.
Shit! Fuck! Okay. Just hang on.
Fuck.
Are you sure?
Yes, fucking do it. Fucking do it.
The wire, get the wire.
What?
Get the wire. The thing, get it.
On it.
Plug it into the thing.
Keep pressure on. What do I do?
The button. Oh, we blew the speaker.
It did the trick. Nice work, Dylan.
Oh, fuck, my hand.
Right. Okay. Just hold on.
Why did you do that?
You told me to.
That was a bad idea.
Is it safe?
I think we're okay for now.
We ran into one of those hunter guys.
Ah, crap.
Chased us out of the lodge. I think we lost him on the way up here. You get a message out?
I think so.
Great. What the hell was going on? Oh my god! Dylan, what happened?
Oh, I'm okay. I mean, I'm not. But it doesn't hurt.
Okay, you're in shock. Holy fucking shit. Did that thing do this?
No. Well, sort of. Caitlin, where's your gun?
I lost it. One of the friendly locals wanted to say hi.
What the fuck?
Did she shoot at us?
Who's there?
Who was she?
Should we follow her? Ah, shit, Dylan, what is that?